Hey guys, my name is Juan and we're here at JTech, and today I'll be showing you how to remove and replace a tie rod in. Alright guys, so at the bottom you're going to have a bolt, but before you get to the bolt, make sure it doesn't have a cotter pin, and if it does, remove that first and then you can get to the bolt, and then once you have the bolt off, that's going to be your first step. So there's a couple different ways we can remove it. The first way is you can use a fork, put it underneath the boot. Once you get it under the boot, you just hit it and it should pop right out. Another way, you can just take a hammer and just hit this side right here. It'll loosen everything up. You can hit the steering knuckle and it'll loosen it up. And once you have it loosened up, you should just be able to pop it right out like that. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the bolt right here. Give me a second. Alright, there we go. So we're going to loosen that bolt, and you're going to pop it up, and you're going to want to count how many rotations you do to take it off. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 to get it off. And then just to replace it, you're just going to do exactly what you just did. You're just going to make sure you count 16 so that you can get it as close as to where you were. And whenever you replace these, you're going to want to do an alignment afterwards. So you're just going to count 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then always remember to put the cotter pin back in, and also remember to put that bolt back in and tighten it all up. And then that's how you replace it.